That hat only means one thing. What does it mean?
Well, two. Could be hiking or fishing.
That's true.
These days, it is
Fishing! Whee! And guess what today is? Your birthday!
Happy birthday to me.
And she wanted to go fishing this morning, so
That's what I want to do.
we're going to go get a burrito and then go fishing.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh, I'm going to put it in gear. Got to put it in gear to get out of here. We gotta get the trash too.
Look at that guy's new statue. He put up an eagle the other day. And now he put up a coyote and a wolf.
Huh. Oh, and he's got an eagle over there.
Yeah.
Interesting. Alright. So I tried my fly rod. This is not the condition to use a fly rod. Thought I might could do it down there. I forgot what it's called when you just flip it. Well, I still couldn't. So I switched to my little rod and reel, which I love. It's great for creek fishing. And I had a fly on it already, so, and a indicator. I don't think they like that fly, that yellow one. I don't know. I'm going to put a darker one on there. See if I can find something. Let's see. And this is only wet fly that I'm fishing right now, or going to be. It's getting warm out there too. Look how big these are. I don't even know what that is. Let's see. The little eyes on these things are just tiny, tiny. Yeah, let's see if I can get this one on there. Alright, that's what I got on it now. I think I can go a little deeper with my indicator. Got to be careful for poison ivy. Sammy. God. Did you catch one?
Not at all. Not even a bite.
I know, me either.
You want to go somewhere else?
Oh, look at this.
I mean, not even a bite.
Me either.
And the
gosh, look how beautiful this is.
I know, but the dogs are not enjoying being apart. You should have seen Finn doggy paddling from the bank.
Oh.
He put his hind feet, never left the bank.
Look at you, Sammy. All right. Yeah, whenever you want to.
I'm ready.
What is it, Sammy? She says, Mama, you can't be out of my sight. You can't be out of my sight. What? Silly girl. All right, let's put up our rods. You have fun in the waters, Finn? Huh? Did you have fun? Look at that rock formation. Looks like a face. All right, we're at the Hikers Coffee Company. They're open today. Getting a frap. I can't remember I'd have to go back and watch my video from a couple of years ago, but this big old coffee cup they got from my old high school band. It had something to do with the band, I think. Might have been, I don't remember. But anyway, I thought that was funny. It's like, hey, that was my old school where you got that. The old building over there, Buffalo, Nickel, Postcard. poster, postcard, and pickle company. Fine art, jewelry, crafts, sporting goods, food specialties, shovels and picks, clothing, caskets, and more. Is that what that says? I've read that sign several times, but never, I guess, read it all the way down. You can get your caskets there. Or is that gaskets? Gaskets or caskets? I don't know. That's kind of funny anyway. Maybe it's gaskets. Where'd you go, Finn? You're doing so good. You used to cry. You don't cry very much anymore. You just wait patiently. You just wait patiently, don't you? Oh, you gonna cry? Yay!
Hey, hey!
Hello.
Here you go. Oh, nope, yours is with whip.
Whip, 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 whip.
Pickle poster, postcard, and pickle company. What? Fine art, jewelry, crafts, sporting goods, food specialties, shovels and picks, clothing, caskets, and more. Your one-stop shop.
I know, isn't that funny? Then I thought maybe it says gaskets.
No, it's caskets.
I know, I zoomed in on it. It says caskets.
Oh my gosh. Back in the day.
Isn't that funny? You can get everything in one at your mercantile.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome.
So it's the Buffalo Nickel Brooks Mercantile building in 1909. Get your caskets there.
It's so funny.
The flutterby. Go. Birthday, dear Debra. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Thank you.
Is it hot? Is it hot? I think it's a pepperoni.
It looks like a pepperoni.
But it's not as hot. It goes away really fast.
It's blown away.
Homemade sangria.
I mean, we weren't social. I mean, as far as that goes.
Nachos. Fried mushrooms.
Oh, she's